guys, video to my welcome. Welcome to my video. Today, we are unboxing video. So, we bought a vacuum cleaner. How do I open this? Elijah! Hey! Bro!
What?
Kid slave, give me a knife.
No!
Give me a knife.
I'm gonna get a knife and use it on you.
Kid slave, give me a knife.
It's my dog.
Bye, Daddy. So, we'll open this. Do not try this at home. Even though I am at home, do not try it. Blades are dangerous. There. Unboxing. I suck at unboxing. I didn't open it.
You just stab it.
What kind of vacuum is that? What brand?
No one cares about the brand as long as it's
Deermah!
Deermah?
Uy,
Deermah!
baka copyright strike tayo.
With this, I'm lazy. I'm lazy at cleaning, so this will help me.
Hurry
I cannot
up!
do anything.
So we have finished opening the box. So we have finished it. I think it's supposed. I think it's complete. Here's the end and then the tip. Then this is the extension, and this is where all the magic happens right here. It will suck it into this, and this little tube here. It will clean
yeah.
it. I think. I don't know. Do that. Oh, nakatakip ko daw. And then this is where you take off the this is where you put in the trash. Trash. You put the dirt in the trash since there is an opening here, and you can just, if it's closed, it will not spill because it is covered right there. So why don't we put this to the test?
Use it on my face.
I would if I could, but this is on video and I don't want to get lost.
You'll never get lost. Your mom's not even popular yet.
Here.
Wait.
Thank you.
What?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, of course. Come on, Dad. Can I see?
Do you feel the suck? Can you hold it?
Yes. Let's go.
Alright, it works. It works, definitely works. You see this?
Of course they.
If you just-
Of course they can.
There's a tiny bit of dirt right there. It sucks the dirt off of my rug. Very cool, very good, very nice, very helpful. Thank you very much, Deermah. Thank you for your
We're not, we're not sponsored.
This is not sponsored, by the way. Deermah, sponsor me, please. So we can clean. It's a bit hard to push because it's stocking.
It sucks, really.
It sucks, really.
Yeah. Use it on the couch. Use it on the couch.
So there you have it. Deermah vacuum cleaner. Very good. It sucks, by the way. Like legit, it sucks. I recommend it to you. It sucks. It cleans very good. Look at all this dirt in just a small area. I just cleaned my rug. And look at all this dirt. You can finally clean it. Look at all the dirt. It's like
Dust.
sand.
Dust.
It's like sand.
Dust.
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 Dust. Yeah.
Dust. It's dust.
Thank you for watching my video. Until next unboxing, thank you guys.
Which is never.